Hey folks, this is Don here, Southeast Michigan. Going to take a look today at a K-Bar Dozier folder lockback folding hunting knife, they call it, in the color blue. Stainless steel blade, standard. Not actually an unboxing, I put it back in the box for the video. I have used this knife for, about 4 or 5 months as a work knife. And so far it's worked out pretty good. I did do one modification to it because I am left-handed, and that's I put the thumb stud on the left side, and I took my Dremel tool and put a little crescent in the handle. You see, edge looks pretty good, and I use it for all kinds of tasks at work. There's a lockback with I consider a high pocket clip, but that's fine. That's for work. Get some nice jipping on it to get a good purchase on it. Mostly I just hold it like this, but I mean, you throw your thumb up there too. It is a stainless steel blade, and it is marked Dozier design, K-Bar. Plastic scales. They're a light blue color. And it got a little flex to it. It does have it is made in Taiwan. So, at a plus or minus, but for $20 on the old amazing online thing, I couldn't pass it up. Wanted to give it a try. It has lanyard hole, which is pointless for me, but it's still there. Yeah, see, in the box, it has a limited lifetime warranty. Not sure if I'd ever use it. I don't know if they sharpen it, or I'm sure they'd fix it. But that's a quick look at it. It does have a adjustment screw, but I wouldn't consider it for tension, because your spring is your tension. Joint looks good down on the inside. Looks not a bad work knife. It's really not. Anyways, thought I wanted to share that with you guys on this early morning video shoot. Just a quickie. So, as always, stay safe, stay prepared. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.